How's it going? Aidan Davis, Charles Towers. I ride bulls because I love it. It's good fun.
Hi, I'm Raymond. I'm 28 years of age, and I ride bulls most of the time, and I've been doing it for over 8 years. And I'm originally located from Charters Towers, but now live in Cairns. And yeah, and I love bull riding because it's a rush, and also it teaches people respect between animals and humans. So it teaches you more to respect the animal and the capabilities of the animal.
At 7 o'clock tonight, we'll get underway with the Great Northern Series Bull Ride. It will be absolutely fantastic.
Here's Phil Cowboy Lou and Shay. Tim Bueller Bull Rider Taylor to Bradley Jordan. Little Rock and Rocker from Cairns, this is Christian Pye. A young man that traveled from Cairns, Northwest Queensland. This is a young man from Cairns. This is Raymond Provest. This lady loves to spend all the time at rodeos and supporting the sport she loves. Mareeba, say hello to the former NRCA Rodeo Queen of Australia. This is Sheree Brevich. Can I ask everyone to be upstanding as we sing the national anthem? We're not playing the game, old swagger. Come on, folks, here we go. Little man has had a little bit of luck. He needs a whole lot more.
He said, I'll start this show.
He's gonna get past the bull they call Megatron.
He rosined up his bow, and he pulled the bow across the string.
Tommy Duff, here we go, folks. Tommy Duff.
And the demon jumped in and his sins.
Well, folks, Tommy Duff. Coming up here, cowboy. Let's go, Karen. Get to him. Hey, come on, bud. Well, there you go, folks. That is a good bucking bull. That young man. Let's go, Bradley Jordan. Yeah, good start. Good start. Good start. Oh! Hey. Look out. Big start, cowboy. Big start. Hey, look out there. Hey, up. Oh, that's not where you want to be. Hey, folks. Here we go, Robo. Yeah, got a good start. Go, Robo. Oh, little bull. No, didn't get a camp on him. Oh, folks, the bull fighter talks a bit of a kick to the face. Big start. Go, Robo. Well, folks, Brian just pushes him off. Here we go, right, here we go. Bull turns back around, the young cowboy in a little bit of trouble. Bull fighter third in. Oh, folks, see your meal come out and present the trophy.
We reckon we should put the
Big
great
thank you to
bull
Great
over
Northern
there.
folks in the spot.
But no, that was good.